everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Shavita Kotak and today we're going to do a quick 10-minute yoga class for beginners. So let's start. We're going to come and lie in child's pose. So your toes are together and your knees are apart, and we're just going to rest slowly and gently on the mats. The forehead is placed on the mat and all we're doing is just focusing on our breath. We're inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. Listening to our breath moving through our body. Then gently we're going to come onto all fours. We're going to have the feet hip distance apart and the hands just wider than the shoulders. We're going to inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. One more time. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. We're going to neutralize our spine. We're going to pull our belly buttons in, and what we're going to do is we're going to inhale, lift up the left leg, and then gently release. We're going to inhale, lift up the right leg, and gently release. Now we're going to do opposite hand, opposite leg, if that's comfortable. Nice long deep breaths. And we're just connecting with our bodies, with our breath. 2 more times. 2. Keep the belly button pulled in. 2. 1. 1. Good. And then back on the mat, on all fours. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Neutralize your spine, tuck the toes under and gently lift up those knees for downward facing dog. And just walk it out, left, right, left, right. Breathing in, breathing out. Nice long deep breaths in. Nice long deep breaths out. Beautiful. And then we're going to walk, lean forward onto our hands and step the left foot forward, right foot forward. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, reach up to the ceiling. Exhale, look down. Tuck in the neck. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, tuck in the neck. Inhale, reach up to the ceiling. Exhale, forward bend. We're going to place the left hand in the middle of both of our feet, and then we're going to inhale, bend the left leg, and then lift up our right hand up to the ceiling. And then change sides. We're going to bring the right hand to the middle of our feet, and we're going to inhale, lift up the left. One more time. Left hand down, right hand up. And change sides. Right hand down, left hand up. And we're going to gently step our left leg back, our right leg back into downward facing dog. Then you're just walking it out, left, right, left, right. We're going to lean forward onto our hands, step the left foot forward, and we're going to come into a triangle. Shoulders back. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, reach. And then come down into a triangle. Nice, long, deep breaths. We want to rotate our chest to the ceiling and reach our top hand to the ceiling. Maybe if you can reach up a little bit more. And then gently release. We're going to have both feet facing the front, shoulders back. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, come down. And line up your hands with your feet. Inhale, look up, lengthen your spine. Exhale, come down. And really stay connected to your breath. Lean slightly forward onto your toes. And then place the left hand to the middle of the mat. And then inhale, lift up the right. And then gently release. Right hand to the middle. Inhale, lift up the left. You're doing so well. And then we're going to walk our hands to the right foot. Pivot the right foot to face the front. And then we're going to come into a triangle. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, reach forward and then come down. And rotate your chest towards the ceiling. Reach your fingers up 1 centimeter if you can, and you'll feel a nice stretch on the left side of your body and the inside thigh of your right leg. Beautiful. And then we're going to come up, both toes pointing to the front. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, coming down. Line up your hands to the middle of the mat. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. And this time we're going to take the left hand on the right foot and inhale the left hand up. The right hand up. And breathe. For 3, 2, 1. Change sides. We're going to bring the right hand to the left foot and inhale, lift up the left hand. For 3, 2, 1. And then we're going to rotate to the front of our mat. And then we're going to frame the foot with our hands. We're going to kick back into a high plank, or you can have your knees down, and we're going to come up into a little tiny cobra, upward facing dog, and then downward facing dog. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. We're going to exhale, bring the knees down, and we're going to come and melt our hearts down. Surrendering to the mat, connecting to the breath. And it's just 10 minutes of your day to just open up your body and just releasing any tight spots you may have accumulated over the day. And then gently come back up. We're going to sit with our legs long. Now you can have your knees bent if you want to. We're going to inhale, reach up, exhale. And you can touch your hands on your calves, on your toes, wherever it's comfortable for you. Now use your breath as a tool as you inhale and exhale, come down. Inhale, creating space. Exhaling, coming down. Feeling your body opening up with your breath. You're using the breath as a tool to guide you as to how far or deep you can go today. And then gently come up. We're going to bring the right leg out and the left leg comes inside your right thigh. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, come down. And again, you can have your knee bent if you want to. Up to you, whatever's comfortable for you. Remember to listen to your body. And your breath will tell you. If you find yourself holding your breath, it means you just need a bit more space. And then gently release. Change sides. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, come down. And just stay connected to your breath. When we stay connected to our breath, it helps us to stay in the present moment. And the present moment is where we're in our flow of life. And then we're going to sit cross-legged, but the front heel doesn't touch the back shin. And we're just going to walk our fingers forward. Relax the shoulders. Breathing in, breathing out. And then gently back. Change sides. Nice long deep breaths in, nice long deep breaths out. Coming back. Sitting in a comfortable cross-legged position. We're going to roll our shoulders back. Roll our shoulders forward. And pause for a second. And just take a nice big exhale for the count of 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale for the count of 3, 2, 1. Pause. Exhale for the count of 3, 2, 1. Pause. And just stay connected to your breath. And while you're sitting here, think of 3 things that you're grateful for this morning, afternoon or evening. And really inhale each of those things in with each of your breaths. So let's inhale the first thing into our body, into our mind, into our being. And release with gratitude. Inhale the next thing into your body, into your mind, into your being. And exhale with gratitude. And the third thing. And release. And then gently, whenever you're ready, you can open up your eyes. Thank you for allowing me into your living rooms. I really appreciate you. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you next week or next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.